You've probably noticed this already. Internships are disappearing. Not completely, just slowly enough that nobody talks about it directly. A company posts an entry-level role. Thousands apply. Many already have experience. Some already worked unpaid internships before applying. Then the internship quietly vanishes. At first, it feels strange. If companies need workers so badly, why remove the place where workers usually begin? A few years ago, managers could afford beginners. Someone joined, learned slowly, made mistakes, improved over time. Now, most teams are already overloaded before hiring even starts. One employee leaves. The role stays frozen for months. Deadlines stay the same. Meetings continue normally. But internally, everyone absorbs the missing role. So when hiring finally opens, managers stop looking for potential. They look for someone who can deliver immediately. Many managers are simply trying to survive quarterly targets themselves, and that changes everything underneath. A graduate named Arjun applies for a junior analyst internship. The rejection comes quickly. A month later, he sees the same role posted again, except now it asks for 2 years of experience, industry tools, previous client exposure. For an internship. And increasingly, nobody finds that strange anymore. That's when the pattern starts becoming visible. Companies no longer want to build employees. They want ready-made ones. Training slows delivery. Delayed delivery affects budgets. Budgets affect everything else. Meanwhile, experienced employees are also struggling to find stable jobs, so they start applying downward. Senior workers apply for mid-level roles. Mid-level workers compete for junior roles. A graduate is no longer competing only against other graduates. They compete against experienced workers trying to re-enter stability. And internships disappear first. Something else replaces them instead. Contract work, temporary assignments, experience opportunities, projects that expect real work without long-term hiring. The company still gets output without carrying the cost of development. That's the part most graduates sense, but cannot fully explain. The market no longer rewards potential first. It rewards reduced risk. So new workers start manufacturing experience before they ever receive real experience. Student projects become consulting experience. Personal experiments become portfolios. Small freelance gigs become proof of industry exposure. Anything that makes them look less expensive to train. The old career path used to feel structured. Now, careers often begin wherever pressure creates an opening. And maybe that's the real shift happening. The system still needs workers. It just increasingly expects someone else to absorb the cost of creating them first.